Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best wearable breast pumps on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Elvie Double Electric Wearable Smart Breast Pump. Pumping with a wearable breast pump takes some getting used to, but many pumping parents say that the Elvie is the most comfortable on the market. It's small, sleek, and lightweight, and the breast shields have guidelines to help you with nipple placement for the right fit. A few other standouts of this popular wearable breast pump include lots of settings, 2 modes and 14 intensity settings, the ability to pump into reusable bottles instead of disposable plastic bags, an app that helps you track milk volume and pump history, and a feature that detects letdown and switches the pump from stimulation to expression mode automatically. The pump is really quiet while it's running, and users say it's one of the most efficient and effective wearables available. What's worth considering? The Elvie is pricey. Elvie's app works well for some things, like pumping history and operating the pump, but not very well for measuring how much milk you're producing during a session. This can get frustrating since it's not easy to look down to check your milk volume like you would with a traditional pump. There are lots of parts to clean, 5 for each pump, so 10 total if you're pumping both breasts. The pump can be finicky and lose suction if all the pieces aren't completely dry or perfectly aligned. And while you can move around fairly well while pumping, you need to stay upright. The pump will leak if you bend over. Number 2. Our second best pick is Willow Wearable Breastfeeding Pump. Willow was the first wearable breast pump to claim you can pump with 360 degrees of freedom, and we're happy to report that it delivers on its promise. Whether you're pumping while leaning over to chop veggies for dinner or working on your yoga headstand, hey, you do you, you can rest easy knowing you won't spill a drop of liquid gold. The Willow has 7 levels of suction as well as a sensitivity setting for comfort. You can choose what you'd prefer to pump into, spill-proof plastic storage bags or reusable containers. There's an app to track session volume, pump history, and more. And one of our favorite features, only 2 parts to clean. And they're dishwasher safe. What's worth considering? Because of the way the Willow suctions over your nipple to prevent leakage, some pumpers report it can feel a little uncomfortable. There's also a pretty big learning curve with the Willow. Users say it can be tricky to properly align your nipples, and many also struggle with inserting the bags, preventing air from getting in and pouring milk from them without spillage. There's also cost. The pump is expensive, as are the disposable storage bags. Number 3. Our third best pick is Momcozy Wearable Breast Pump. The Momcozy is another very popular budget-friendly wearable breast pump. It's similar to the Amani 2 in almost every way: price, design, collection cup on bottom, clip-on motor on top, suction options and levels, silicone breast shields, and more. The Momcozy does come with smaller flanges, 24 mm, that will fit nipple diameters between 19-21 mm. There's also an auto shut-off after 30 minutes of pumping time and a 6-ounce milk storage capacity in each collection cup. What's worth considering? Trying to decide between the Amani 2 and the Momcozy? They're truly so similar, and you can't go wrong with either if you're in the market for a well-priced wearable breast pump. We've talked to lots of pumping parents, and most have the same likes and dislikes for each pump. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BabyBuddha Portable and Compact Breast Pump. While not quite as freeing as wearable breast pumps, you'll still have tubing to contend with. Portable pumps offer a good and often much more affordable alternative and can be used as a primary pump for most pumpers, and the BabyBuddha is one of the most popular around. Weighing at less than a pound and about the size of most smartphones, this portable pump is small but mighty. There are 14 different modes and a rechargeable battery that lasts for about 4 pumping sessions before you'll need to plug it back in. One more thing to love about the BabyBuddha is that the pump's tubing is fairly universal. This means you can hack it in lots of different ways: pump plus wide mouth bottles, pump plus collection cups, etc., to find the combo that works best for you. What's worth considering? The suction on the BabyBuddha is strong, almost too strong for some pumpers. Even the lowest setting is pretty powerful. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Freemie Hands-Free and Discreet Breast Milk Collection Cup Set. Freemies are the collection cups that started it all. These lightweight cups each hold 8 ounces of pumped milk and, like the other collection cups on our list, are compatible with lots of different brands of breast pumps. There's also a spout for easy pouring, a flat base to lessen the chance of spills, and 2 flange sizes to choose from, plus the option to customize with inserts if needed. What's worth considering? Rather than a wider shape, Freemies are more conically shaped, so they'll protrude forward from your bra more than some other collection cups. Looking for a slimmer cup? Check out the brand's Slim Fit 6. They hold 2 fewer ounces than the original cups but have a much slimmer profile. The flanges are made from plastic, not silicone. And they're the most expensive collection cups on our list. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.